Hey, this is Tano. You might not know my name, but you might know my voice. No? What if I said exclusive? Or maybe world premiere? I'm ready and warmed up for the Xbox Game Showcase, live on Thursday.
We've got some world premieres for you, and we've got a lot of guests, so let's get ready for the countdown here. 58 minutes away from the show. Before we get to our first world premiere, though, I want to welcome some panelists to talk about what we're expecting today from Xbox. So first up, joining me is my good buddy, Jack Septic Eye. Jack, welcome to the show.
Hi.
Top of the morning, you laddies. My name is Jack Septic Eye, and welcome back to
Early in the morning in Los Angeles. We've also got Lauren Side here. Lauren, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Good to see you as well. And finally, we've got a guy who got to go up to Microsoft and check out the Xbox Series X hardware before lockdown, Austin Evans. Austin, good to have you with us, man. Yeah, great to have all you guys here. So with this world premiere announcement, check it out.
World premiere.
There's even more good stuff, though, coming up at the top of the hour. We are just 6 minutes away. So we're going to have another group join us here as we count down in the final 5 minutes. We got Matt Pat joining us live from the Game Theorist headquarters.
It's over. I could check out right now.
Pretty good. That's an exciting announcement. So yeah, I agree with you, Matt Pat. All right.
World premiere.
Welcome, everyone, on Xbox X, delivering unmatched fidelity, performance, precision, and immersion. And we've designed the most consistently powerful next-generation X. And we've built state-of-the-art platform technology to allow every developer to realize their full vision.
World premiere. World premiere.
Avowed is being built from the ground up to take full advantage of the power of Xbox X.
World premiere.
We can't wait for you to experience the amazing games built by Xbox Game Studios. And there is just so much more for you to play on Xbox. Some of the world's most inspired developers are working on games for Xbox X, and we're just honored to be able to collaborate with them. Xbox X.
World premiere. World premiere. World premiere. World premiere. World premiere.
Today, you saw 10 world premieres and 22 console launch exclusives. Here's one more thing.
World premiere.
Matt, let's start with you. What did you think?
I thought, Geoff, I think you had some of the biggest announcements. So the conference itself, I'd give it like B plus. The pre-show, I kind of hate, but I was really excited. I thought they did a solid job of showing off the breadth of it, and the true winner outside of the pre-show.
Positive grades across the board. Yes, Matt?
Geoff, I wanted one last